So welcome to washing day on the road. So if you've always found it difficult to do washing while you're traveling, you find that it's expensive having the money for the laundromats at the caravan parks or in town, you don't have the coins that you need, or you've had to wait for ages to get to the washing machine like we had to do up at Mackay, I remember that happened to us, then we thought we would try a solution to that. So we purchased this little mini portable washing machine at a camping show recently, and we thought we'd show you how it works. So this little guy will hold 3 kilos of washing, so I'm going to go with 2 outfits, so 2 shorts and 2 tops. So you've got a couple of outfits clean. So the first thing that you do is you obviously take the lid off. When you get your little washing machine, you just have to put the handle in, and it also is a drain pipe if you want to use that, but we've opted not to. So in with the washing. So you kind of just want to fill that little basket inside there, and then you fill with water. So I'm just going to bucket water in. So we think we've used about 10 litres of water. So if you're free camping, that's something to consider, that you probably need about 10 litres of water. And then in with the washing detergent. So I'm using a liquid detergent so that it dissolves easily, and this one is just one from Aldi. I will wash as recommended as well. Smells nice. So I'm just going to put in a couple of caps, maybe 4. I'm always one of those overdo things people. Alrighty, lid on. And then it's getting your workout for the day. Round and round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. And the instructions also say to sometimes go the other way as well. So you're agitating in a different direction. And the spinning time can vary from probably 2 minutes to 5, according to the instructions, depending on how dirty you feel your washing is. Just when you get a good workout. Build up those arm muscles. So I've finished washing and getting my workout, so now it's time to drain it. So this could be a bit of fun. There we go. So pull the plug out. Oh, there is also this pipe that you can use as well to drain it. That goes in here, but we just thought we'd try this way. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So we've done our washing. Now it's time to rinse. So take the lid off. Add some water in. Definitely an outside task, but everyone's flashing just for you. Lid on, spin again. Getting up my steps, Marky.
You are getting your steps up.
Now it's time to drain the rinse water off. You ready? 3, 2. You can get the kids to stand in front of you and squirt at them. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so close. So the next step is to spin. So you need to remove the handle from the center and put it on the side location, and there is a spin arrow, so you spin in this direction for spinning, and it is a little bit harder than washing, just saying. So maybe this is a husband job.
No, 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 no. Husbands drive, women's wash.
Maybe I need to get a bit of motion happening and then it'll be easier. So this is when you get your husband involved, or your teenager, or your next door neighbour to help you spin it. We actually moved the handle into the middle location. It's easier to spin in the middle location. So rinsing and spinning is done, so now we're going to see how dry they came out. These pair of shorts, they're damp, but like you can't bring any water out, so it's pretty good. Yeah. So I'm going to hang them on this little clothesline that we bought again from the Caravan and Camping show. This is brilliant because this actually folds down to just a really small shape like this. Really easy to transport.
It collapses down to half the width, yeah, and then it goes flat.
Actually make it longer as well than we have it at the moment.
So it's fully adjustable.
So hang it up. These guys, again, I think it's probably a cup of coffee time, Marky.
It's definitely coffee time.
Have fun washing, peoples. Bye.